How to change or delete music in post after posting in Instagram. So if you want to change or delete music in post after posting in your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you can go with your post. And for example, I'll just simply select this one. Now you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, then you will be able to add music. You will have add music option, right? You can go with add music and then you can add your music if you've not added. But if you've already added music and if you want to change or remove that, then let's see if it's possible or not. If you scroll down where you have your music, you need to go with the top right, tap on edit. And as you can see that we don't have add music option or change music option once you've added it. In order to change, you can just simply go with the share icon and you can go with the story. You can tap on add to story. Once you tap on add to story, then you can add some music to it. You can just simply go with the top right, which has that music option, and from here you can go with the music again and change the music to this one. Tap on done, and that's it. Your music has been changed. So that's the only way to change the music, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.